What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are heading now to Angelito's house. Why? What are we gonna do?
Angelito's shop.
Shop slash house slash garage. We're heading there now because I want him to help us putting back together the transmission. I know that we want to do everything ourselves, but stuff like that requires like a little bit of experience. So I'm heading there because he has more experience with those transmissions. He has put together a few of those, and I want to make sure that everything is in the correct way. So we're heading there right now with Alejandro. All the parts are in the back. We have the two synchronizers. Also, we need a press, a hydraulic press to disassemble the gears, and I don't have it, so he have one. So one of the reasons that we're going there. So see you there, guys. Yep. Yeah. What's up? Are you a gardener now? We are here, guys. Let's see what we're gonna do. What do you have there? All the parts. Transmission taken apart. Got it. In the trunk of your car. What do you think? Can we do it today?
Hopefully.
Let's do it, guys. Let's get all the parts out. You have it? Ooh, sorry. So here we have the transmission taken apart. So we're gonna be first. These are the syncros. Those are they are the same number, same pair number. This is the two syncros and the springs.
Yeah, that's the wires.
Yep.
This is first, second.
Yeah, because the bigger one, yeah.
Then the 4 or 5.
So the bigger one is first. The next one is second. So we have to take the bearings of. I don't know if they are going to survive. Are they going to survive? These bearings?
Yeah.
You think so?
I know the bearings are gonna survive, but the pinions is the one that's gonna blow up.
Don't break, please.
Hopefully.
What? That wasn't so bad. He's taking apart everything. All the gears, you have to be really careful to take everything apart and put it back where they belong, because you don't want to change the position of anything.
This one is first.
First gear.
This one. This is for here.
How they look?
I don't want to show the difference.
Those are the same, yeah.
can see right there the difference. This is more deep in the sleeve. This one's a little bit higher.
So it's, oh yeah.
Yeah, it's wore out. That's the thing, is not the outer part. Is you cannot see from the outside in this kind of two-piece syncros. But the inner part is the one that wore out the most. On that's when you see like the difference a little bit right there. Yes, in the outer part right there, you can see.
What part?
This lip in the
Okay.
You see this lip?
It's yeah,
pretty much flush, and this one is
yeah. So it has
to the outside.
more.
You know, it don't go that deep. Yeah,
Yeah.
it got more grip on it. Very important. We forget that one. This one was the worst one. Let's gonna see. This one don't look that bad either. Maybe the inner part. Let me see. Weird.
What? Doesn't look bad.
The first one was it looks worse. This one it don't look that bad. The spring is the one I'm gonna put the synchro to stop first. If you leave the synchro without the wire, it's gonna make a grinding noise when you every shift, downshift or whatever. This one over there. Press the shit. This type of position, you guys like gotta notice. You're gonna see some of these tooth over here gonna be higher than the other ones, and you see this picture over here. These two are higher. It goes in these two lines are deeper. You can see in the pattern over here. These two are different over here. You can see, guys. You got a position on it.
Just like that.
Yeah, nice and easy.
We're hitting everything so it can slide without the press.
Okay, we punched this just in case it's gonna came out. We got a little problem with the shims. Yeah, we punch over here the pin for the other pin of the differential.
It doesn't come out.
It doesn't come out. We put it this way. Beautiful. With this too. Be careful with the seal. Beautiful.
Just putting all the forks. You want to put it?
Yeah. Give me the hammer. Or put the fucking hammer.
Guys, this is this is not he's a professional, but we are not in a professional environment.
I don't take it out. That's what we're going in the back and forward. Give me that one.
No, yeah. He's assembling it. He's assembling it. I disassemble it.
We got a snap on the hammer.
Yeah. See?
Give me the other pin.
Yeah. Here.
Another one over here.
Yeah.
I'll put it there.
And that's the reverse pinion. Just like that. Now we're gonna put fifth gear, right?
Yes, sir.
Fifth gear. Eso está ahí así mismo. That one's in the other side. And the pin is here. I want to apologize with you guys because we lost the footage on closing the transmission, but the only thing that was left to do was torquing the two nuts of the pinion gears and put back the finishing the top cover, and that was it. So I hope you liked the video. Remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one, guys.